Good evening everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you I've got an unboxing, but I actually didn't know I was going to be filming this. I forgot to cancel this subscription box last month. So I got this box last month as a one-off just because I really like the products, and I completely forgot to cancel it. However, I am not disappointed because I have seen some spoilers for this month and it is cracking. So I'm actually really glad I've got it, but I didn't even know. I completely had no clue, so it's really brightened up my day. The box I'm talking to you about is the Look Fantastic box for June. So this is their Step Into the Blue range, and yeah, I've seen the spoilers for what's in this and I am so excited. So this month's theme is hydration, and they are focusing on some really fantastic brands which bring you great hydration as well as some really lovely pieces of makeup. So let's dive in and see what we've got. Okay, so this is the contents of the box. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. I just don't even know where to begin. I'm just gonna pull them out randomly and we'll go through them one at a time. Okay, so the first item that I've pulled out this month is the Mandara Organic Skincare SOS Instant Moisture Radiance Hydra Mask. So it's this one here. I really like this lovely little pink packaging. It's so cute. Now this mask you can use overnight, and it's just meant to be incredibly hydrating, or you can leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. There we go. Look at that. So it says in the book that this little mask is vegan friendly, which is absolutely amazing. Let's just open it up and have a little, oh my gosh, it's actually like a little pink cream as well, like it's the same colour as the tube on the outside. Oh yeah, it smells really nice. It's got quite a sweet smell to it. Yeah, that smells really nice. I'm really looking forward to trying that actually. I think I'd definitely use it. So the next brand in the box is something that I am very familiar with, and it is Elemis. So Elemis have released a new face wash, and it is this one here. It is the Superfood face wash. Now I actually use the Superfood facial oil, which I really like. It's got kind of broccoli and all sorts of wonderful goody things in it, so I think this is going to be right up my street. And Elemis is so expensive, so I'm really impressed that this is actually like a 30ml size, and will last me a really good long time before I would have to consider actually going out and buying another one. Have a little whiff. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh, it smells lovely. I think I might even go and put this in the bathroom right now. Okay, so the next item is something that actually my mum has been using recently and she's been really enjoying. So she's actually ordered this box just for this product, and this is the Christopher Robin. There we go. The Christopher Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste. So basically it's a paste that you apply to your hair to give you volume. I'm not quite sure exactly how it works. I've not read the instructions. Whoa, it looks strange. But she absolutely loves this, and a full size of this is £42, and although that's 240 mils, this is a 40ml sample size, but you get a huge amount of usage out of it. So this is going in her little pamper box, and yeah, she's going to be very happy that she's got another one. So the next item is full size. I love a full size item, and it is an eyeshadow. So this is by Studio 10, okay, and it's meant to be a mousse foil. I'm not quite sure what a mousse foil is, but I'm guessing it's like a liquid eyeshadow. Let's just open this one up. Oh, I do love eyeshadows so much. There we go. So it looks super sparkly. Ooh, there we go. Wow, so that's really great. That would work fantastically as a topper or like a wash of shimmer all over your eyes. Really, really pretty. It's just got such a great shine to it. It is a little bit glittery, but actually I think sometimes that's really fun for summer. Okay, so next is a brand which I am really familiar with, and it is Vitra Liberata. So this is an advanced self-tanning gradual lotion. It doesn't say whether it's a medium. I'm guessing it is, because they tend to do like different like strengths of products, but because it's gradual, I suppose you could build it up to medium or strong or whatever you want. But this has got marula oil in it, and yeah, I really like their products. I think they are really good. I've had a lot of people recommend them to me. Let's have a little look. Oh, that one's sealed. Do you know all these products have had seals on them today? It's amazing. I just want to smell it. I want to smell everything today. Let's have a little look. In fact, I don't think that has a smell at all. It doesn't even have that like fake like tan smell. It's just feels really hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. Yeah, it's got shea butter in it and ginkgo to soothe and moisturize. Subtle skin-kissed glow develops over 4 to 8 hours and can be maintained and developed with regular use. Oh, it locks in the system, has a lock-in system for 72 hours of hydration. Wow, that's really good. I think I'm really wanting to do like a self-tan at the moment, so I might start using this week and see what happens and see if it's like okay. I'm so pale that I'm always really nervous when I use fake tan, but this sounds really interesting. Okay, so the next product is a brand which I've had before, but never had this product before. And this is Rituals of Dough Body and Skin Cream. Ooh. So here we go, that's what it looks like. And this is a travel size, and I did actually manage to find a price for this. This comes in at £6, so it's really affordable, which is really nice. Sometimes you get like samples of things and they're really expensive, but this is actually really affordable, so if I like it, I could just go out and get a big tube of it. Oh, why does everything in this box smells amazing? Oh, that's lovely. Really, really refreshing, but like not too sweet. It's just a really nice like summer fragrance. It's not heavy. Nourishing body cream, leaves the skin moisturized. So this has got no parabens or mineral oils in it and just has a really lovely fragrance. Yeah, this is definitely a keeper. Okay, and last but not least, we have, I think this is a sample because this isn't actually featured in the little book that comes with this month's box, and this is by Real Chemistry, and it's an environmental rescue essential day cream. So yeah, I actually think the packaging of this is really cute. Reminds me of like one of those squeezy drinks that you get for taking to the gym with you and stuff. And it's actually got a recommended retail price of £6 because the price is on the back. So that's really good value. I feel like this box is amazing. But yeah, it is a essential day cream. Definitely handy for taking down the beach with you and popping in your handbag for when you need some extra moisture. Okay, so just to recap this month's products, we got the little sample, the Rituals, I don't think this is going to fit in my hand, the Rituals body cream, the Vitra Liberata tan, the Elemis Superfood facial wash, the SOS hydration mask, the hair volumizer, and the Dong 10 eyeshadow. I mean, that is crazy, crazy value for money. Wow. So I am so in love with all these products. This is a great box for the month of June. I definitely recommend that you go out and you pick one up if you can do. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button for my next unboxing. Hopefully that will be Pink Parcel in the next day or so. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got this month. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye bye.